Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be battling my editor, and if I lose I have to give him $10, so let's just get into the video. Okay, so he's going with Chillin' Char, and can't remember what that thing's called. I think it's Bitbot, but he's in a bad position. Okay, so we do 4,805. And he does 3,808. It's because wizards are bad in this game. They have a lot of health, but they're bad. I'm on first grade math. Oh, that was a bad idea on you. Yeah. Oh. Took out Chillin' Char. Okay. Let's see. I have to go with the strategic. So we answered the question successfully. 4,831. So we're starting to do more damage. And now I'm getting pings on Discord. 3,892. Dang, I thought that would do more. Okay, I've gotten the same questions every single time. Okay, and we take out Batterbot. No, yours is really bad. It does a lot of health, but it has a very low amount. It does a very low amount of damage. Okay, 5,184. Yeah, it will kill me. $5,802. 5,214. So looks like you don't get the $10. Okay, so you don't know how to do this stuff, like this strategy. Okay guys, so I beat him.